In this video, you'll learn how to update your Envato account settings. This process involves accessing your account settings, editing your information, and saving the changes to ensure everything is current and accurate. Begin by logging into your Envato account. Once you are on the home page, look for your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This action will direct you to the Account Settings section, which contains all the relevant options for managing your account. After accessing the settings area, you will see various fields available for editing, such as your name, email address, and other preferences. Take a moment to review the information displayed. It is essential to ensure that all details are accurate and up to date. As you make changes, double check each entry to prevent any errors that could lead to account issues in the future. Once you have updated the necessary information, look for the button labeled Save or Update at the bottom of the settings page. Click this button to apply your changes. The system will take a moment to process your request. During this time, you may notice a loading indicator confirming that your updates are being saved. After the updates have been processed, you should refresh the page to confirm that your changes have taken effect. This can be done by clicking the refresh icon in your browser or pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Once the page reloads, check to see that all your updated information appears correctly in the settings section. Now that you've successfully updated your account settings, it is advisable to log out and log back in to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Remember to maintain a secure connection while making these changes to protect your personal information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial